Ever find yourself lost in a foreign country, surrounded by unfamiliar places and languages?
I might have really gotten myself in trouble this time.
In today's episode, I have gotten just a little bit too eager.
I thought I smelled smoke.
Open road living really has its challenges, surprises, and unforgettable moments just like this.
Pretty serious offense here.
If today's the first time we've met, my name is Sandro and I live full-time in my Tesla Model X in North America. Right now, I am in Europe, roaming the continent I was born on, and soon I'll be attempting to drive my Model X to Central and South America. So if you want to be a part of that expedition, subscribe.
So I might have actually gotten myself into a predicament here. We're stuck. I was gonna check out the spot over there to go overland, but I should have read the road a little bit more carefully, because look at this. Oh man, I'm so stressed right now. We're in Croatia. We just crossed the border from Slovenia. I already got a speeding ticket today. And now we're here trying to wiggle a way out of here. I might have really gotten myself in trouble this time. And me, with my normal setup, I have recovery boards, but I forget that this is not my car. And I don't have all my necessary equipment to hoist myself out. So this is gonna be tricky, and I wanna get out of here before it gets dark, because the last thing I wanna be stuck here and while it's dark. So let's give this a try. Okay. Okay. Recovery boards. All right, man. It's so muddy. And then let's do off-road assist. So that's off-road mode. If that doesn't do it, we can always do slip start. Come on, baby, come on. Yes, work with me. Okay, let's move forward. Okay. Yes. Oh, I feel it. Oh, okay. Moving forward again. Let's reverse it, yes. Okay, do the dynamics. Let's do an off-road, let's do slip slide. Ready? Let's go. Forward. Okay, and then let's do reverse. Let's do reverse. Oh no. No, I got stuck again. Fuck. Oops. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Yes. Yes. Come on. A real test of can we stay calm when things get a little bit tense. We've moved about 2 centimeters, I think, right there, 2 centimeters. But look, just gel-like substance on the car. Okay, but let's give it another try. I think we're making great progress, because we started from the bottom and now we're here. But I think I'm gonna change strategies and put the wooden planks like here to see if that will give me a push off. Because I think we're good on that side. It's more the left side that is really giving me an issue. All right, so my miniature styrofoam board. Oh, all right. Well, there it goes. And then let's grab this piece of wood. Oh, jeez. Oh man, everything's still muddy. Okay, let's put this behind. Let's see if we can get some traction. All right. Oh. Yeah, come on, give me something. Okay, let's go forward. Let's go back. Yes, give me something, yes. Actually, I think that's helping. Just keep pushing. Let's take a deep breath. So, we're just about clear, but we're still far away, but we're also very close. wiggle, 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 and then reverse. That's the strategy. Also, if you are a seasoned overlander, leave a comment down below and tell me what you do if you were in this situation and without any recovery board, no gear, no help, how would you approach the situation? Please help me. So I can learn from this, and then next time this happens, hopefully not, with Beluga, I know how to get myself out easier. That's all us. Let me give you perspective. It's pretty deep mud, but we're getting closer. We're getting unstuck. Oh, mad. Oh, lesson learned. Well, not yet. Come on. Yes. Okay. I thought I smelled smoke. That could just be the tire.
A few moments later.
Oh my God. I forgot to record. No. Oh, I was so in the freaking moment. But we got out. Look, that's where we started. All the way down there. You can see the divots that I've created. We ended up going into here and we're out. All right, well, I have to do something for the next person so they don't make the same mistake I do. Next person doesn't make this mistake. Okay, so this is the second overlander spot. Apparently it's a fishing spot, so I don't like doing this, getting out here this late. Being completely honest there, that is probably the most scared I've ever been. Even I think more scared than when I drove to the Arctic Ocean all by myself a few months ago. It's because, like, as good as this car is, the tires are just the stock tires, which is, like, again, on me. It's the driver, not necessarily the vehicle. But I was like, man, I am in a foreign country. This could go south really fast. So good lesson there, honestly. And for tonight's dinner, we're just doing applesauce, honey, and some oats, keeping it simple. Don't want to overdo myself now. Very stressful day. And don't forget the protein source, peanut butter. So there are toll roads in Slovenia, Bulgaria, Hungary, a bunch of those countries where you have to buy an e-vignette. And what do I know? Like, I thought the EU was a single union that everybody kind of followed the same rules, but I guess they have their own rules. They had been following me since I crossed the border, and then they pulled me over. And I have some paperwork in here. I did request an English version because this is, I guess, a pretty serious offense here. So I paid 150 euros on the spot. They made me pay it. If I wanted to appeal it, and then I didn't win the appeal, I would have to pay 300 euros. And then I paid for a vignette for 1 week. I don't know, I'm not happy with this. This really frustrated me today. And then I got stuck in the mud. I mean, it's all self-inflicted. So the e-vignette is $16, 16 euros, so about $20. But just looking back today, I think I'll take it. These tickets, they're not the worst thing in the world. And it's really embracing the phrase, expect the unexpected, right? Drive safe out there.